Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to show you how to assemble and install the pedestal that comes with the RU8000 series Samsung television. And to start off, you're going to need both pedestal feet. One of them actually comes with 4 screws taped to the top and a cable management piece attached to the back. So we're going to remove those eventually, and you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver as well. Okay, so we've put the TV face down on top of a flat table here, and you kind of leave the styrofoam sheet that's on it on so you don't risk scratching the screen. And from there, you're going to take either one of the pedestal feet. The nice part about these is that you can use either one, and you're going to put it down. There's a little notch up here in the corner, which is going to fit into a little cutout at the top of the pedestal foot, and that's just going to kind of fall into place there. And you'll know it's on because you can kind of push down on it, and it doesn't really go anywhere. From there, you're going to take 2 of your screws from the package and just drop them in and screw them down. And that'll secure the first foot. The process is going to be the same for the second as well. And another step in the pedestal installation is the cable management. Now this one's very simple. It's just this little plastic clip. And if you're going to use this, you basically sit the TV upright once the pedestal's on. Then you're going to take your HDMI cable or whatever cable you want to run through here, kind of put it within the clip, and then the clip is just going to snap into place like that. And the nice part about this one is that you can actually fit a few cables, unlike some of those Q series or the Q LED models where you can only fit 1 cable. This will fit, I would say, 3 cables pretty comfortably. So that's a nice feature to have on this one. All right, and it's as simple as that. We've got both pedestal feet on. We've showed you how to do the cable management if you need to do that. And we've got a little picture on here for you. It looks great so far. So stay tuned because we're gonna have more videos coming up on the RU8000. And thanks as always for watching. And don't forget to subscribe so you get updates whenever we upload new content.